Yup, finna videotape this game.
Jasmine. Yeah, I'm giving my number. No.
Videotape the game. Nobody can lie.
That's how we do it, funny, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I got on film.
What you got on film?
You losing?
Us finna win? We winning.
You losing?
And you got a purple phone.
Yeah. What's wrong with a purple phone?
With flowers on it.
What's wrong with that? Tighten up, bro.
Somebody answer.
Highway 6 and I-10, you made a left. Let me get my
Tighten up, man.
Purple
is the color for what? Royalty.
I'm sorry. You exit I-10, you made a left.
And flowers are for what?
Women. Yeah, they smell good.
Who gives women flowers? You need to drive up by
give women's flowers.
6 red lights. You're going to see a Walmart on your right-hand side. You need to make a right.
What you got?
Right there at that street.
Myself. Don't play that one. Play the one in that hand.
Don't believe it. Don't go with it. Once you make a right, the first street you get a chance to make a left is going to bring you into the park. All right.
How y'all doing? How y'all? All right.
Y'all doing okay?
But I sure take it, you take it.
Hey, we need 30. They need 35, doctor.
Uh-oh.
20. On my next play is 20.
We don't.
Count on them bone.
Oh, we done. I know the future, bro. I see.
You don't know the future. He just guessing.
I got a crystal ball.
Making assumptions.
I stay right. He got it.
He making assumptions.
He got what he needs. I got a crystal ball. Corn. See, don't turn to the people.
Nah.
He making
Turn to the people.
What you mean?
Turn to the people.
Oh, you talking about them folks? Oh, nah, none of that. None of that. I might turn him in over there.
Shit, they don't want me. They gonna give you back. They gonna give me back. I eat too much. It's on you, bro. I can't get 20, so play something.
Play again? That's what you telling me?
Oh, dang, hold on.
Oh, you ain't watching four?
Slow your roll.
Right.
This is my partner play, partner. You play this shit. This is my partner play, partner.
I ain't gonna cheat.
All right, now, all right. I don't want to see this shit on Facebook neither.
I got a picture of you on my phone, though.
I don't know a damn thing about a Facebook.
I got a picture of you on my phone, though.
Man,
Rack man. Rack man. I'm sorry. I got a picture of you on my phone. Get your hands out my pocket. Where that picture go? Get your hands out my pocket.
What's the speaking?
Any of y'all play pool?
Yeah.
Y'all need, if y'all ever need a professional man to rack the balls for you,
I broke him in.
I got a professional racker right there. That's all he did the whole time he was out. Was rack the balls.
Bro, Rack Man.
That brother Rack Man right there.
That's all right.
Finally got that plate, huh?
I learned something.
Yeah.
Maurice got a video. You want to see it?
Yeah.
$6 plate, huh?
Yes, sir.
Man, if it
That'd be so perfect.
probably weigh like 20 pounds. Lord have mercy. Look at this
Like
view.
that always. Yeah, for sure. He gonna be like that always.
Rack man.
Hey, and you know what he did? He set me up so pretty. He let me win. Let me win. Went home bragging and shit.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Look what I have done.
I'll put my controller. Hey, smell it. Fouled it. Fouled it. Boom. And if he accidentally scored, he don't usually do it on purpose. But if he accidentally scored, man. See, I got scared.
Put me in that video, bro. I want to be up in that video. Man, come on, bro. It's all good. I got a cover on this. I got a purple cover too.
Yeah, let's see. All right.
Huh? Brother, when she said that, man, I had to catch myself. You know, I had to subdue my passion.
That sauce is good.
Yeah, so good, brother.
That's only supposed to be for the brothers, you know.
Wow! Wait the table. You get that?
A sister like that with colors in her eyes would say some shit like that.
Purple phone, did you get that?
Where
your man at?
Yeah, I got it, bro. I got it.
Let me say this.
What happened?
Took my partner half to realize we partners. So if he'd have been on the bandwagon at the beginning,
Oh, that brother quiet over there.
go home. But you gotta get your
I thought they say team is together.
I say that I is the one who points the finger.
Yeah, exactly.
We got 20 over here right now. What's going on?
That's all right, man.
Where you at?
Are you playing again?
Hey, you need to come on out, man, brother.
What's that loser? Let me see the loser face.
Man, it's glory. It's glory,
Come on with it.
Well, I'm doing good up there.
All right, baby. Look what you made me do. You made it in front of your baby girl. I'm sorry. Hey, bro. I ain't mean to do that.
Beat you in front of your daughter? We didn't mean to beat you in front of your daughter, man.
I can't handle the seafood. You gonna see me? You gonna see me where I work at? I can't handle the
She
They got them hot dogs in it.
put him in the picture. Nah, they steady looking over here though. You know what I'm talking
They
about?
cooked in the same stuff?
All of them,
They
bro.
y'all get fresh water from the hot dogs?
We got fresh water.
Oh man, what is that?
They cooked it in separate spots.
Man, all that crawfish, bro. What are y'all gonna do with that, man?
Somebody gonna get in there. That's what somebody gonna get in there. Yeah.
I'm gonna get some more later. I'm for the black women that got colors in the eyes and they take too, brother. I think real talk. Seen Chris Brown lately with the blonde hair. I told him on Twitter. I said, man, why? Yeah, I'm like, why, brother? What went wrong with you, bro? You got blonde hair now?
You saw what they got him for now, though?
What happened? What happened? Talking about with Rihanna?
Nah, with that
Another one.
dancer. He went on there at his concert.
Yeah. What'd he do?
He had that on there. Talking about he's still acting crazy. I don't know exactly what they did, but they had him on there saying that he was doing some crazy shit with the girl.
Rihanna messed him up, bro.
I don't know who messed him up, but that's what he's still doing. He's still ain't right. So.
You know what happened to Cisco when he went did all that gray blonde stuff? This was rare with him. But I ain't hating on the brother, you know, getting flamboyant. Yeah, really. I ain't tripping on that. It just came out of nowhere. I ain't expecting to be that tight. Man, crawfish. Crawfish. It's in the ocean and in fresh water? Or just fresh water only?
Pretty much, no. It's like we wouldn't say it was fresh water. You can just say just anything in the muddy water.
Anybody water?
Bud bug. Bud bug, that's what we call it.
Look like they moving. I eat them alive too, shoot.
Yeah, I go home, I make my own. I go, I'll take a little 30-minute ride.
Yeah.
Go fix it up myself. They be like, man, you going? Yeah, I'll be out there by myself. Doing what, in this month?
Crawfish, yeah.
Have some shipped here.
Yeah.
Have some shipped here and cook for myself.
Come on, Stanley. What's it? What's it? Come on, Stanley.
And I'm like, Charles.
Hey, hold on.
Your Sons of Wisdom? Sons of Wisdom?
Who killed this hand?
Nah, are you a Sons of Wisdom now?
No, I'm doing, I'm just petition today.
Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, I'm all wine made. We all that's left right now. Just us three ones. Wine made large 6.
Hey, baby, how you doing?